So what I want to do to finish this layout off is to do some doodling on it. We are literally just got some paper, some colour cardstock and a black pen. And what I'm going to do is I'm first of all going to start off with a border. And all I'm going to do is just use my pen and go all the way around. I'm not going to join. I like it just the way it is. I'm just going to leave this gap here. And then I'm going to just write my title like this down here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just add some doodling with some embellishments. I've just got some white card here and I've got these really lovely clouds that I've added in from a sticker collection, and I'm actually just going to make them again, just copying them out onto some cardstock. Okay, once I'm happy with my doodling, I'm just going to cut them out. And then all I'm going to do is add some pop-up dots to sit behind and then add them to my page. I'm going to use a thinner pen just to go around with a thinner line all the way around my edge. And then one final thing that I'm going to do is just link up all of the clouds with a dotted line, just swirling around like that. I'm going to add some dots in with my black pen. Again, I'm just being really free about it because it was a rainy day and my son is standing there in his raincoat while I take a picture of a mini. There we go, what fun! It's just such an easy one to do, and it's come out really, really well. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. Doodling is fun and it's great for your scrapbook pages too.